Toby and the Magic Boots of Twos. In a magical forest where numbers danced in the air and learning was an adventure, lived a fluffy gray cat named Toby. He was smart, curious, and loved to hop around, especially when he learned something new. One sunny morning, Toby found something glowing under a tree, a pair of shiny blue magic boots. Beside them was a note that read, "Whoever wears these boots will jump in twos." Toby put on the boots, and boing. He jumped forward, 2 whole steps. "Wow," Toby laughed. "These really are magic." With every jump, he bounced 2 more steps ahead. Jump after jump, Toby flew down the trail. 2, 4, 6, 8. The numbers sparkled behind him as he leapt through the forest, each hop adding 2 more steps to his journey. Just around a hill, Toby saw his friend Patty the duck. "Hi, Patty," he shouted joyfully. "Why are you hopping so fast?" she asked. Toby giggled. "I'm learning to multiply by 2. Toby jumped while saying the numbers out loud. 2 times 1 is 2. He cheered. Patty clapped her wings. "I want to try too." Toby and Patty decided to learn together. Toby showed Patty how to count with the magic boots. He said, "When you jump once, that's 1 times 2, and you land on 2. Jump twice? That's 2 times 2, and you're at 4. 3 jumps? That's 3 times 2, and you're at 6. Patty's eyes lit up as the numbers grew. Toby kept going. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10 6 times. 2 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 2 is 16. 9 times 2 is 18. 10 times 2 is 20. Each hop made Toby and Patty smarter and happier. Learning multiplication was fun. And best of all, it felt like magic. Back at home, Toby made a colorful poster called the Trail of Twos. He hung it on the wall proudly so he'd always remember how fun it was to learn with friends. Now, anytime Toby wanted to practice his 2 times table, he'd just grab his magic boots and follow the trail.